Hi guys, today I'm going to play some Subway Surfers World Tour Chicago Part 2. We'll get some skins today. Let's first get something from the shop. My gift is 1 key. Nice. Okay, let's start. In my other video I got 7 skeleton saxophones. This video let's try to get 20. Music. I have to do music today for my word hunt. There's a U there. Oh, there was a skeleton saxophone up there, but I couldn't jump that high. There's the S in music. I need 2 more letters to finish the word hunt. There's the skeleton saxophone. Now I have 8. I need 1 more letter to finish the word hunt. I need the letter C. Okay, I finished the word hunt. I'll get a mystery box after I finish this game. I got another magnet. And another magnet. I got 3 magnets this game. Ooh, almost died there. There's another mystery box. Oh wow. You get a mystery driftboard when you get that. There's a key and the skeleton saxophone. I'm so lucky this game. Here's another magnet. Comment down below how much skins you have. Oh, I didn't get that skeleton saxophone. I'll probably get 1,000. Jetpack. There was a skeleton saxophone, I missed that. I got 1,000 coins. I'll try to get to 2,000. Oh. I'll try to get to 1,000 next game. One key. My mystery box, for my second mystery box, I get 1 times driftwood. Let's go home and let's go to me check if I can get any skins for 1,000. I can get this skin soon. I need 3,000 more coins, and I'll get this skin. Oh, I died. It didn't let me turn. Wow. That game, I was like right here, and I couldn't go left. It didn't let me for some reason. Here's the sneakers. I'll get them. There's a magnet right there. There's a jetpack over there. You get lots of coins when you're on a jetpack. There's the jumping sneakers. I'll try to get 1,000 again. Magnet. Oh, there's another mystery. It's a mystery driftboard. I got a skeleton saxophone. I have 10. I'm getting lots of these mysteries things today. Ooh, I died. Our goal is to get to 7,000 today, and I'll get that skin. There's a skeleton saxophone far away. Got it. I'm about to get on a jetpack. Another mystery. In a skeleton saxophone. I get these weird shoes. Oh wow. Didn't work. I don't know how those shoes worked. There's a mystery box. Another jetpack. Another mystery. It gives you double the coins. Here's the jumping sneakers. I'll get this skeleton saxophone. A magnet. Another magnet. Here's my mystery box. I get 1,000 coins. I need 1,002 coins to get the skin. Oh, I tried to get up there and get the skeleton saxophone. I could have died there. I'm trying to get a mystery box. I'm trying to get a mystery box because to get like 1,000 coins. So I can get the skin. There's a mystery box. There's a magnet and a skeleton saxophone. I'm not gonna get those sneakers. I'll get the sneakers for now. A jetpack. Oh, I died. Come on, coins. Oh, I got a mission complete too. Oh, no, wait, Subway Surfers. Okay, I need how much more? Coins. After this game, probably I'll get the skin. Didn't want to get those sneakers. There's a skeleton saxophone. Skeleton saxophone up there, but can't get up there. There's a mystery thing. Oh, it's that. That's what it was last game. I didn't know that it was double jump. Another mystery box. Ooh, almost died. Another skeleton saxophone. Got a magnet. Another skeleton saxophone. Oh, I died. I thought I was going to jump over that. Oh, one Jake's break-in. Wow, I have 7,000 coins now. I can get the skin now. I'll get it for you guys. And I'll wear it. I'll play one more game, guys, for you. Another mystery. It's double coins. There's a magnet. For my next skin, I'm probably going to get the robot. There's a mystery box. I just completed a mission. 6,000 points in one run. I got a magnet. There's There's another mystery thing. Oh, I missed it. I jumped too early, but I got one right now. And another mystery. Double coins. Ooh, I died. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'll make a part 3 for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.